Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I got this in the mail, and I am very, very happy. I was expecting it. And let's see what we get. And this one, I will tell you the story of it. Ooh, look at it. Wow, that is fancy. That is fancy. Okay. Ooh, cleansing glass and pot. Look at it. I got this. Let me get a piece of white paper so you can see clearly. Oh, use this one. So you can see clearly what it is. Oh, I like this is a paper packaging. Oh, that's so smart. This is paper packaging so that I can either use it or it can. It's not plastic, and it's quite a decent little thing. You can put a lot of small things in. And this is the glass. I choose this bizarre shape. Okay, I will go to, let me see if this is the right. Wow, this is good. This is good. And the distance and everything, it is good. Comparing with my glasses. Yeah, it is good. It is good. Oh, I love it. Look at it. Oh, this shape. Okay, I will go to do a little bit of makeup. Not makeup. You will see how I do makeup. Okay, so maybe here I will tell you the story. Oh, I love it. The paper packaging. I love its paper packaging. So I think I will let my son to buy it. So how it is? It's like this. I have opened up a few 2 or 3 these Firmoo glasses, and they say you make a video and then you can get it for free. So that was how I was introduced into this. This is one of my first winner unboxing that sponsored by them. Not sponsored, just a free gift by them. And I like it. It has quite a unique shape, a little bit different from the Costco shape. And then just very recently, I got them contacting me and saying you can get a free pair of glasses if you sign up for some product review company. Anyway, I felt that is just too much. It gets a lot of information of ourselves. You get to get all the free stuff. You cannot imagine how many if you want to do the review. I was thinking we have too many things. We do not need it. So I didn't do that one. I say if you give me a free one, I can do it. Otherwise, I'm not signing up for this. Anyway, I thought that was past. They didn't give me a free one, and I'm okay with it. I already have glasses. And then one of these days, I received one email. Free glasses. You get a pair of glasses for free, and you pay the shipping, and you pay the prescription, and you can choose. They have a gazillion different size of it, or different product of it. So I was thinking, why not try that? So I bought it for free, and without any condition, without any obligation, because it's a product code they give me, and they give me another product code which I can I think every once in a month or something, and just when you feel you are enough of glasses, you have a good one, or you are a little bit tired of the old one, you get a new glasses. This one is for free, and I pay the shipping and something. I think these glasses is something like $23.99. 20. It's ranging from $10 to $20, only the frame, and then you can choose the degree. And I choose my degree. I do not need to tell you my degree, and and then you can choose. There is addition if you do something like a treated with a layer of blue, or treated something, you pay $1, $2, $3, something like it. But still, it's quite a good one. So for the glass, I do not need to pay. This is the cheapest option. I choose every option free option. The glass is the basic glass. They can give you a basic glass without pay, without extra. If you get a higher quality glass or something, you pay extra. This one is I get the basic one, because I just want to see how about the size, how about the pupil distance. And I do not know my pupil distance. They give you a default. If you are adult, 63 centimeter is your pupil distance. So I go along with that one, and it is like this. I'm sorry, I talk too much. And this one is 50% off frame. So if you buy, you can get 50% off the frame. Oh, so they trick me to buy more. 50% off the frame. So if I want to buy, I can have this 50% off the frame. I think they have different level of different hierarchy. You buy more, they give you 50% off, 25% off, and then free shipping. Different kind of combination. Anyway, I don't think they are losing money, but it's something good for everyone. So today I'm a biggest loser. I love it. I love it. Thank you very, very much. Okay, I go to clean up myself. Okay, let me take care of my myself a little bit. So so I will use this foundation. It's quite dark, but actually after this backyard tanning, I can use this foundation quite well. And now I do not use foundation, do not use powder, because I realize there is a new a la mode that is freckles. So I have the natural freckle that that I'm ashamed for my whole life, and suddenly becomes a la mode. It's I need to catch the opportunity and cash on it and capitalize on it. So I will not do any foundation to cover it up. Just some eye makeup. No freckle cover up, only eye makeup. And here I will still use this dark foundation. Used to be dark, now it's not even dark for me. And then this very, 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 very dark, very, very dark. And that's it. The rest I will not care that much. And I think it's good, but I cannot see very well. See my 10, it's so strong, 10. Okay. Gosh, that's so easy. Without making it complicated, it is so easy. That's my makeup. I'm a little bit more viewable. Now I'm ready to wear. Now I am ready to wear and test these glasses. Ready, set, go. Oh, I can see my freckles. Oh my. I count each and every one of them. The lighting has two lines of light, so the reflection are two lines. Anyway, isn't it funny? It's pretty good. I enjoy it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friends. I don't know the back of my hair. The other day the cutting was not so good. I never see the back of